is a Chumpville. It's the most wonderful place on the earth. Welcome to Chumpville. It's wonderful. It's wonderful. You'll have a great time. ね、サクッといいですね。いっぱい水あげよう。Welcome to Chumpville. It's a really great place. You'll love it here. So please come on down. So please come on down. I have a house now. Wait, look at my house. Really? What? 私のお家可愛くないですか？なんか It looks great, thank you. まだベッドないけど。そう。Why do you have a creepy doll in the corner? I don't know, I just found it. Like, yeah, let me introduce my other villagers to you. Phoebe. She's okay. Honestly, she's the worst villager I have. But she's alright. He's a bear. Hello, Punch. Are you okay? Was he working out? Wrestling rivalry. Poncho's so cute. We can give Poncho an orange. You didn't eat it right in front of me. So... Oh my god, are you kidding? Rip. Father's is asleep. Who? He also threatened to fight me in my sleep. Poncho's threatening. Make a donation. Who? 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 Yatta! It was real, see? 本物やった。本物やった。Look, look, look! Sure, so cute! Chumpville is the perfect size. Too big to see across, but too small for sea monster to attack. Sure, is so cute. Kawaii. Oh, Gulliver. Goku stick? He's blue. Okay, gotta stop talking to them before they get depressed. Go back. Oh, she's not depressed. Let's go. She has a KK slider costume. What? Double tall kombucha? Kawaii! Oh my gosh, she's really cute. I like her. Kawaii! I love my villager so much. Oh! Oh, it worked! Sugoi! Why is he naked? Oh yeah, he's always like that. I don't know, he has his guitar, so... he looks... he looks naked without his guitar. I control it just by pressing the A button. I can't play any Zelda songs. It's just random. Yeah, I had a beat going on earlier. Yeah, that's on purpose. So, yo. Yeah, I have it on my hair. Don't need it. Butterflies are flowers and you can eat them? Don't eat the butterflies. They're not edible and you're not allowed. NFT art. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. Mr. Bear! He's cute, eh? Polony flowers. He's not Poncho. It's just a bear. He's just a little bear. Arigatou! やった。こんな感じで。スモーキー。くもくま。くもくま。Is it us? No, it's a bear. But he looks like a cloud toad. Small bear. He has a bow tie, so he's smart. It's supposed to be a heart. Kawaii. But yeah, yesterday I had a management meeting and I was talking about Animal Crossing, and my manager was like, I said, she's like, did you play Animal Crossing for the first time last week? And I was like, no, it was for the first time on stream. And I said, I played the game since they were on GameCube. And she's like, the games are that old? I was like, yeah! Did you think that they started from New Horizons? Wow. Ba 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 ba. Angel power, Tensi beam. Ba 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 ba. Angel love to you. Ba ba